Whether this is your first time buying a home or you've already been through this before, the home buying process can be tough. And let's be real, it will be at least partially stressful. But that is totally understandable, as a home is the biggest financial purchase that most people will make in their entire life. You have to take a lot of factors into consideration when looking for that perfect place. My name is Sarah, and I'm the Regional Marketing Director here at Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation, Mid-Atlantic Region. If this is the first time you've landed on our YouTube channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Either way, we're absolutely thrilled that you've joined us. Each week, we post a new video all about the mortgage process, real estate, our local communities, and so much more. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button right down below so you never miss a video from us again. Okay, let's dive into today's video about keeping peace of mind while you're searching for your new home. While the home buying process is complex, there are a few tips to keep in mind when the going gets tough so you can keep a positive mindset while finding your dream home. First, know what you want. You cannot go into the home buying and mortgage process completely blind. If you go into the home buying process with a short list of non-negotiables, that can help you narrow down your search right away. It will be much easier to rule out any homes that do not fit what you need. Also, drum up a list of some of the criteria you are willing to compromise on, as opening your mind to some aspects you could go without will help expand your options. Having both of these lists, your non-negotiable and your willing to compromise, will make it simpler for you and your agent to find the right homes to look at. Next, it's really important to keep your finances in check. Before you start looking at homes, it is important to put your best financial foot forward by creating a realistic budget for your future home, while also accounting for other fees and mortgage costs and the cost of living. While you prepare to buy, try boosting your credit score, save some money, and pay off a few bills if at all possible. Make sure to get a pre-approval from a loan officer you trust on a home loan early on in the process as well. It is also so important to become familiar with how the real estate market is working in your area and to understand the ever-changing market. That will help you determine the best time to buy your home for the best value. But don't worry, you don't have to do any of this alone. The third thing on this list is work with experts you can trust. By taking the time to gather an experienced team of experts like a realtor and a loan officer, it makes the process so much easier. They know all of the right questions to ask, including some you're probably not even thinking about. Doing so will help you get your home for the best price while keeping your stress levels as low as possible. Look at reviews and obtain referrals for agents, loan officers, and insurance companies. Reputation matters. Fourth, keep an open timeline if at all possible. Sometimes you need to move within a specific time frame. However, if you have the ability to be a little bit more flexible, it will be a much more peaceful experience. Give yourself a few months to see what is listed in order to determine when you should enter the market. Also, be willing to take a step back from the search if you need a break. The right house will come and there will be a light at the end of the tunnel. I promise you that. Lastly, trust your instincts. You know better what you want than anyone. While you cannot make a solely emotional decision on whether to buy a home or not, if you found a home that seems to meet all your needs and wants, but it still doesn't feel right, don't feel forced to make an offer. But if you found a home that meets all of your needs and wants, and even most of your wants, plus it feels right, it probably is. Your gut usually knows best. That brings us to the end of today's videos about how to try and stay peaceful during the home buying process. I totally understand there are times where that's not going to be possible, but keeping these 5 things in mind should make it a little bit easier to navigate the process with peace of mind. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I look forward to talking to you soon.